Find features that distinguish it from other brands for PUPGSIS Gaming Audio Mixer, audio interface with Pro-preamp. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, there are features include: power up your voice. Equipped with a professional preamplifier and 48-volt phantom power, the audio mixer works perfectly with your favorite XLR microphone to deliver high-quality audio. The clear audio output and fun sound effects fully immerse listeners in your streaming, quickly boosting your popularity. Flexible volume control ensures the sound is neither too loud nor too soft. Even in intense gaming battles, you can communicate effectively with your teammates and help your team win. Customize your audio. This gaming audio mixer features 6 voice-changing modes, allowing you to easily experiment with different sounds or add a touch of humor to your games. With 4 customizable sound pads, you can add and trigger your favorite sound effects on the spot, bringing increased creativity and interaction to your gaming or streaming. Additionally, 3 reverb presets offer a fresh audio experience, helping you present the best voice state in more scenarios. Individual channel controls. The DJ Mixer has a simple and intuitive interface for easy operation. 4 smooth volume faders independently control the levels for mic 1, mic 2/mic of headset, auxiliary/Bluetooth and line-out channels. The display provides a clear view of the current volume levels at a glance. Whether you're streaming or recording, the entire process is effortless and enjoyable, allowing you to focus on content creation rather than technical details. Simplify your streaming journey. Instant mute and real-time monitoring. Our audio mixer has zero latency monitoring and one-touch mute function, helping you avoid embarrassing live mishaps and ensuring your sound is always optimal. The unique monitoring design allows you to turn off microphone monitoring and focus solely on background sounds without interference from your own voice. During games, it helps you attentively listen to teammates' voices and ambient sounds so that you can spot enemy footsteps in time. Gorgeous RGB and Bluetooth 5.3. The 10 RGB lightings of the audio interface are both vibrant and soft. The dynamic RGB lighting dispels monotony, adding vitality and aesthetic appeal to your game, live room. With options like solid colors, gradients, and mixed colors, you can create a rich lights atmosphere that suits various streaming themes. The PC audio mixer delivers stable wireless audio via Bluetooth, freeing you from the constraints of cables and space. Exceptional compatibility. The soundboard has a clear interface that is widely compatible with phones, computers and tablets. It supports up to 3 microphone audio inputs, mic 1, mic 2, mic of headset, allowing 3 people to stream record or a game simultaneously. Whether you're on OBS, Discord, Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Spotify or Zoom, you'll be able to create audio without hassle and enjoy a smooth recording experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.